I want you to understand what happens when you live a lifestyle of truth. When you get so used to the truth, pag meron kang nakita, you just know if it's a lie. Walang pinagkaiba yan kung ikaw ay gumagamit ng original na kagamitan. Let's say meron kang nakitang Levi's, tapos sinuot mo siya. Dahil sanay ka sa totoong Levi's, alam mo kaagad kung ang sinuot mo ay imitation. Alam mo kaagad kung ang sinuot mo ay fake. Or by just looking at it, alam mo kaagad. When you live in the truth, you are actually a person who will be willing to take risks. Kasi you know that there is no fear in any situation. So from the perspective ng mga tao sa labas, they see you as a risk taker. But actually, you're not. You're just dependent on God. If you're going to look at the Bible, the Lord said to the people of Israel led by Moses coming off sa Egypt, and they faced the Red Sea. Moses just believed in God. So bumukas yung Red Sea, a miracle happened. Nung nandun sila sa wilderness, there was no source of water. The Lord told Moses, the water would come from a rock. And it did. Diba? You know and understand that if you remain obedient to the Lord, there will come a time that you will be tested, you will be tried, you will be persecuted. The world will hate you because you represent a different form of life. And that's absolutely amazing. So when you live in the truth, you don't have any fears about tomorrow because there is no uncertainty, because the person that is you believes in the God who created you. And therefore, if God created you and you believe in His existence, you believe in His deity, you can depend on Him. His promises will always be delivered. So ano mangyari ngayon sa'yo? You live a life that is certain. You live a life in faith. Ano sabi ng Bible? Faith is the evidence of things hoped for, the substance of things unseen. Diba? So hindi ka kakabahan. You will not make any bad decision. Hindi ka malilinlang makipagrelasyon sa maling tao, whether it's romantic or not. Hindi ka malilinlang to exchange the eternal reward, for right now yung panandali, ang kagalakan, kaligayahan sa kasalanan dahil tingin mo okay to. You will not allow yourself to even entertain loneliness and sadness. You will not even judge yourself. You will not think lowly of yourself. You will not devalue who you are. You know what your value is. And you are not afraid to be alone because you are never alone, because God said, God will never leave us nor forsake us. God has given us the perfect plan. A plan filled with purposeful life. Yung buhay mo nakatingin sa pangangailangan ng ibang tao because you have stopped being selfish. At yung pangangailangan mo ay simple lang. Dahil nakita mo na ito yung paraan ng tamang pamumuhay.